Can Hisense TV be wall-mounted? Yes, Hisense TVs can be wall-mounted as most models are designed with VESA mount compatibility. Whether you have a 32-inch, 55-inch, or even a large 75-inch Hisense TV, it can be securely mounted on the wall using a compatible wall mount bracket. Wall mounting a TV helps save space, improve viewing angles, and create a clean, modern look in any room. 1. Checking if your Hisense TV is wall mountable. Most Hisense TVs come with VESA mounting holes on the back panel, making them compatible with standard TV wall mounts. To check if your Hisense TV can be wall mounted, look at the back of the TV for 4 screw holes arranged in a square or rectangular pattern. Check the TV manual or specifications for VESA compatibility, such as 200 by 200 millimeters, 400 by 300 millimeters, or 600 by 400 millimeters. If your TV has a VESA pattern, it is wall mountable, and you can choose a compatible mount based on the size and weight of your TV. 2. Choosing the right wall mount. Selecting the right wall mount depends on your TV size, weight, and viewing preferences. Fixed wall mount. Best for stable, eye-level viewing with no need for adjustments. Tilting. Wall mount. Allows vertical angle adjustments, reducing glare and improving comfort. Full motion wall mount. Swivel and tilt. Provides maximum flexibility, letting you move the TV side to side and tilt up or down for optimal viewing angles. Slim or low profile mount. Keeps the TV close to the wall for a sleek modern appearance. 3. How to wall mount a Hisense TV. Step 1. Gather the necessary tools including a wall mount bracket, screwdriver, level, drill, and wall anchors. Step 2. Attach the wall mount bracket to the back of the TV using the correct VESA screws. Step 3. Locate the wall studs using a stud finder or use strong wall anchors if mounting on drywall. Step 4. Drill pilot holes and attach the wall mount plate securely to the wall. Step 5. Lift the TV and carefully secure it onto the wall mount, ensuring it is locked in place. Step 6. Adjust the viewing angle if using a tilting or full motion mount. 4. Benefits of wall. Mounting a Hisense TV. Space saving, creates a clutter-free and organized setup. Better viewing experience. Allows you to adjust height and angles for optimal viewing. Enhanced safety, prevents accidental tipping or falls, making it safer for homes with children or pets. Improved aesthetics, gives your living room or bedroom a modern and sleek look. Most Hisense TVs can be wall mounted, provided they have VESA compatibility. Choosing the right wall mount and following the proper installation steps ensures a secure and stylish setup for your home entertainment.